During summer break, two young boys, Alex and Sam, were super excited for their family camping trip. They had planned it for weeks and couldn't wait to explore nature and spend time with their family. On the day of the trip, Alex and Sam helped pack their camping stuff in the car. They put tents, sleeping bags, cooking things, and lots of snacks. Their parents were happy they were ready for the adventure. They drove through twisty roads with lots of trees and hills. They were so excited. Finally, they arrived at the campsite near a calm lake surrounded by big trees and birds singing. After setting up the tents and starting a campfire, Alex and Sam went on adventures. They walked in the woods, saw cute animals, and swam in the lake, laughing and playing. At night, they sat around the campfire, roasting marshmallows and telling stories. They laughed a lot and heard crickets and owls in the dark. One day, they went on a treasure hunt with a map from their parents. They followed arrows and X's and found a hidden spot with a waterfall and a cool pool. They dug up a chest with surprises inside. On the last night, they watched the fire and talked about their fun trip. Even though it was ending, they knew they'd come back next summer for more adventures. With happy memories and new friendships, they said goodbye to the woods, excited for the next camping trip. Below are some new vocabulary in the article.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
Yeah, you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit